Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a long time since my last review, but as promised, here is another one. Today's item is the 1994 James the Red Engine. This review is dedicated to my good friend, Rob the Red Engine. James is one of the main characters in the Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends series, having appeared and starred in many stories. This particular James has flat magnets, no staples, and is dated 1994. James is a mixed traffic engine being able to pull trucks and coaches and is based off a Class 28. Like his early introduction into the series, he was one of the first 5 main characters introduced by Learning Curve. James got his real start in the second book of the Railway series, Thomas the Tank Engine, in the story Thomas and the Breakdown Train. Originally painted gray, James had a pretty nasty accent, but was helped out by Thomas. James would then have the third Railway series book based off him. What's truly amazing about James, though, is that his accident gave Thomas his branch line, which would be the basis for the rest of the series. Whether in the teensy-weensy miniature Ertl form, or the large Hornby-Bachmann model train form, James exists in all shapes and sizes. He's been manufactured by Tomy, Ertl, and various other companies. I actually have a second 1994 James in good condition, and another one in, well...
He's got no dome. Never trust domeless engines. They're not respectable.
Well, I don't know about that, but I do know that although James is a simple character, he has a complex personality. He's vain, but good-hearted, and overall Hey!
Whoa, jeez! Sir Tom Hat, what are you doing? I'm in the middle of a review, can't you see?
I don't care about that. You're a hypocrite and a jerk.
What are you talking about? Listen, can we talk about this later? I'm really busy right now.
No, we're going to talk about this right now, face to face. Now, do you remember your last review?
What do you, my last review? What does that have to do with anything?
Think back to your last review. Think! Think hard and long.
And I'm sick of reviewing engines, and I'm sick of reviewing rolling stock. I want to do something different, that's just what I'm going to do. So let's get the heck out of here. And today, I'm going to review this. I remember now, yeah, I reviewed the Mountain Tunnel.
No, you idiot! You said you were done reviewing engines and rolling stock and you were going to review destinations from now on.
Well, yeah, I mean, I was sick of doing engines and rolling stock, but I wasn't done with doing reviews on them. I just wanted to try something different, which I did.
Doesn't matter. You broke your word, you're a hypocrite. Not to mention, you nearly killed me when you dropped the Mountain Tunnel on the ground.
That was an accident, okay? I didn't know you were there.
Not the first time I was nearly killed.
Look, sir, I'm really sorry, okay? I'm really, truly sorry. But look, you're just gonna have to go away right now, right? I know that's rude, I know it's your railway, but I'm in the middle of a review, can't you see?
Don't tell me what to do, Harry Potter.
What did you just call me?
The wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter. It's not always clear why.
Okay. Calling me Harry Potter's taking it a little too far.
Dwa 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 dwa. Whoa!
Listen, you know that. Ow! Oh. That's it. I'm putting you where you belong.
What, are you gonna cast a spell? Huh? Are you and Ron and Hermione gonna do something? Hey, where's that owl of yours, huh? Abracadabra, Alex. Whoa! You haven't heard the last of me, Robert, or Harry Potter. You haven't heard the last of me! So yeah, I guess in conclusion, James is a great character and a highly recommended Wooden Railway item. This is Wooden Railway Reviews saying goodbye and thank you for watching.